After 50, our next question is 35th question. So that one is a regulation of transformer. Okay. So what is meaning of regulation of transformer in the sense that transformer value we can regulate it. Suppose for example fan also having a regulator. That regulator will be varying the speed. It's mean whenever we need to increase the speed or decrease the speed by using the fan regulator. The same thing here, the transformer regulator, by using that transformer regulator we are enhancing the voltage values or we are decreasing the voltage value by the regulation of transformer. Regulation of transformer in the sense it's a tap changings. Okay, by using that tap changings we can vary the transformer values. That value we can calculate by using this formula. Okay, so regulation means adjusting or monitoring. Here regulated the voltage according to load conditions. For a single phase transformer, voltage regulation can be defined as the secondary terminal voltage percentage change as a compared to its initial voltage while under zero load and varying load conditions. You remember the percentage regulation is no load voltage minus full load by no load. So this is the formula for percentage regulation. No load in the sense whenever we are not applying any load, that particular condition what is that voltage value and full load in the sense whenever we are applying a full load, so at that particular condition what is the voltage value. So by no load voltage.